From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Smoky Goodness 2.0, YouTube's bison-centric barbecue and grilling channel. Today, more bison. It's been a while since I've done a video. We have had this major heat wave going on. I mean, I think it was hotter than Heater and Hooker today, and hotter than Hooker and Hellmouth, where the high was 114 degrees with thunder showers anticipated sometime next year or something. No, it's been really hot. Today we got a break from the heat. I think it's 20 degrees cooler. It's still really warm out here, but feels pretty good. So to the grills we go. We're doing bison burgers. This is Bison Burger Month over at our good friends at NebraskaBison.com. I'm going to probably leave a little bit of an end card or something somewhere in this video. Anyway, what I'm trying to get at is for the month of August, Nebraska Bison is offering deep discounts on ground bison, the patties and ground bison by the pound, and we're going to take advantage of that. I hope you do too. Like I said, I'm going to try and leave something somewhere in this video, some kind of a chart with prices and stuff, so you can kind of get a feel for how much you'll save if you decide to buy some bison from Nebraska Bison. Also, the 10% for first-time buyers code still works. Alongside this other this other deal. Ingredients will be announced as they come into play. All right, as you can probably tell, I goofed. I overfilled the slow and sear. Is this the slow and sear or is that other one? I don't know. Anyway, this is the one that everybody likes, not the other one that nobody likes, except me. It was all right. Anyway, I goofed again. I pulled these burgers out of the packaging a little too early. A couple of them are still frozen in the middle. This one's all right, but these two and maybe one of the other batch. So what I'm gonna do is start these things off. See, look at that. That's not good. I'm gonna start these guys off on the indirect side. And I'm gonna leave the lid off for a little while too, just to get them to warm up a little bit. And maybe I'll be able to coerce them back into a burger patty shape, you know? This one's okay. And then the other three. Yeah, one of them's looking kind of sad. Not as bad as these first three, but you get the idea. You know, sometimes you get in a hurry, you get hungry, you know, just anticipate your next video, recording it and such, and you just get excited, you know? So, at this point, starting to, that's a little bit cold. These are okay. That one's a little cold. This one's a little cold. I'm gonna leave the lid off for about 5 minutes. They're gonna hopefully just warm up pretty slowly, and then we'll get back onto the business at hand. You know, I should know better than this. Been a while, but there's no excuse for doing what I just did, but I'm trying to correct it, so it'll be all right. Everything will be fine in the end, so stick around. I'm gonna go inside and bury my head in the sand. A few minutes has passed and the Weber, I'm sure, has worked its magic, and it has. Yeah, you definitely want to be on top of this. It's smelling pretty darn good out here. We're just gonna continue low and slow. This reverse sear, look at that. Kind of came back together, didn't it? Still, I'm gonna treat it with kit gloves. You don't need it busting up, right? Like this one could, but nope, it's together. It just looks wonky. It's fine. Oh man, these are smelling so good. You have no idea. If you buy some bison, you'll know. You will know. Oh man. Hey, we don't have too much longer to go before I give it a final sear. And we're going to start adding some killer ingredients to these burgers. Or should I say killer toppings. A few more minutes has passed. Oh, they smell good. This is the part of our picks mission where I am going to give these bad rabbits a really quick final sear. I mean really quick. Just bang, bang, bang. Right? Not even half a minute. Bang. You don't want to overcook bison. That's for doggone real. Bang. Uh-oh, lost a piece. All right. You three, back over here. I guess this is a snack for the pitmaster, huh? It'll be hot. Woohoo! Oh yeah, oh yeah. Shut up, car. Motorcycle, whatever you are. All right. All right, we're gonna get these three on real quick. Over the fire. Just for a moment. All right. And just as quick, flip. Because these burgers are, in essence, completely done to my liking. So, all right, move these off. And we're going to do some of the dressing of the burgers out here. So we'll get on with that in just a moment. Just a couple of minutes has passed. Got some Asiago cheese we're going to grate right over these burger patties. I hope my aim is true, right? True enough. Got a lot more ingredients. This is going to be some very unique bison here tonight. It's going to be really good. Shut up, birds. Sound like jays. They are. A little bit more there. All right. It's good. Let that melt for just a moment. We'll be right back. So we're just going to scoop them up. Oh, look at that. Is that not beautiful? Bison, the way Mr. Smoky Goodness Guy intended it. And stay tuned. We're not done with these guys yet. I'm going to dress them up in a manner that you will be dying to try, I'm sure. We're going for a savory flavor tonight with this bison, because bison and savory flavor go really well together. They're the best of friends. All right. Right, let's get them inside and dress them up, huh? Ye old assembly line, Smoky Goodness style. All right, we have some baby spinach here for the bottom, which are these. Oh yeah. You said enough, right? Does that mean just enough to cover it or enough to satisfy and wet the whistle? Alrighty. Put that stem there. No stems, no seeds that you don't need. Okay, next up, we have some stone ground mustard. Gotta love that. And I'm gonna go kind of light with this. Okay. You call that light, Mr. Smoky Goodness Guy? Yeah, I do. All right. And what is this? This is, I think this is organic ketchup, 78 brand or something. Some ketchup, supposed to be good for you. Oh, they're still warm. Actually, they're still hot. All right. 1. I'll give you the wonky one. Don't worry, I saved it all. Docio. Trecio. Okay, I think your spinach is trying to escape. Try this ketchup. Tell me when. Good?
Yeah.
All right. Huh. All right, there you go. Okay, baby spinach for me. And I do like a lot, so just gonna pile it on, man. There we go. Burger number 1. Nebraska Bison, man. I have been a fan of Nebraska Bison since I first heard of them. Alrighty. Of course, for mine, again, let's use some of this stone ground mustard because it's good stuff. Really good stuff. Like I say, it's savory. I mean, it's perfect for a bison burger because a bison burger is savory. And I'm going with some sriracha, but it's not the rooster. I guess I'm not respecting the rooster tonight, but I saw this brand. It's Roland brand sriracha. Thought I'd give it a try. Ooh, comes out pretty quick. That's okay. But after an afternoon of intense work getting this perfect the way I wanted, I have to ask myself, how does it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness guy? I think we should find out. He already knows. Oh my God, that's perfectly cooked. Oh, Mr. Robertson, you've done it again. Can you see the pink in the middle of this burger? It's perfect. Absolutely perfect. It is savory. Would you agree? Everything works together. www.nebraskabison.com/smokygoodness. You'll get some discount codes. If it's your first time, you get 10% off your first time purchase. And check that list. Hopefully it's in this video somewhere, or maybe it's at the end. Maybe I can add it as an end card, but would you be able to click on that? Anyway, I don't know. I'll have to experiment with that. Anyway, there's all kinds of savings to be had. You really need to try some Nebraska Bison, right? We're telling you. Hopefully it won't take another 2 weeks. We'll see you next time. Stick around. Come on, tree. Hurry up and fall down already. You know you want to. Look at that. All scarred and bruised. I think I mentioned previously about this tree being hit by lightning back in December. You don't want to be close to a tree when lightning hits it. Trust me.